Turn the page.
Thinking chair.
Thinking chair. Let's go. Okay. Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay. We really need to figure out what I need to feel better. Our clues are a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables. So what could Blue think I need to feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Do you think maybe Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance with a spoon and a bowl?
No.
Really? No. What could make me feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Well, you can eat out of the bowl with a spoon and add the vegetables and make